friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and healthy recipe, which is a drumstick flour poriyal. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started and see how to make this delicious drumstick flour poriyal.
Now let's take about 1 packet of drumstick flours. We need about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal. Let's take 1 large onion which is finely chopped, a few curry leaves. We also need 1 green chilli which is finely chopped. You can alter the green chilies according to your taste. Now let's wash the drumstick flours and keep it aside. We also need about 1/4 cup of grated coconut.
So the ingredients for a drumstick flour poriyal is ready. Let's get started and see how to make this recipe.
Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also use ghee instead of coconut oil. That also enhances the taste of the poriyal. Now when the oil is nice and hot, let's add the mustard seeds and urad dal. Now let the mustard seeds splatter and the urad dal turn into a nice golden brown color. Now at this stage, let's add the chopped onions. Now let's also add the curry leaves and the green chilies. Today I am adding 1 green chilli. You can alter the green chilies according to your taste. Now stir fry it till the onions are nice and opaque. Now at this stage, let's add the washed drumstick flours. Now stir fry it in slow flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt. Do not add water to the drumstick flours. Just keep the flame in slow and let's close the pan with a lid so that it can cook in slow fire. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, let's check the drumstick flours. You can see that the drumstick flours are cooked well. It's nice and soft and tender. Now at this stage, let's add the grated coconut. Today I'm adding about 1/4 cup of coconut. Let's give it a quick mix. So that's it friends, our delicious and healthy drumstick flour poriyal is absolutely ready. This is a very healthy recipe, so do try this and let me know your comments.
So that's it friends, a delicious and healthy drumstick flour poriyal is ready. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.